lovelies, Nina here and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be sharing to you my top 5 favorite liquid foundations. So if you want to know the products that I will be sharing, just keep on watching. So I decided to do this video kasi I've been really planning to do this even before pa, pero ngayon ko lang siya naisip gawin. A lot of my viewers are also asking for foundation, ganyan, foundation recommendation. So ito na yon, ito na yung hinihintay nyo guys. I ranked these products based on yung price nila, yung finish nila, yung longevity, and yung shades nila. So this is really based on my experience with the products kasi syempre ito yung mga na-try ko and ito yung mga talagang nagustuhan kong products. I have normal to combination skin. Yun yung basis natin with products. If naghahanap kayo ng mga pwede nyo itry na liquid foundation, pwede nyo tong itry. Alam ko, yung video na to is top 5, pero I just want to mention yung runner-up na foundation ko kasi hindi siya nakaabot sa top 5. This is the Fashion 21 na Perfect Stick Foundation. Actually, para siyang concealer, pero ginagamit ko siya as foundation. So, ina-apply ko siya sa buong mukha ko. When I was in college, ito yung gamit ko. Ilang tubes yung naubos kong ganito before. Sobrang affordable din ito. So, I am in the shade Milk Tea and I think this is 195 pesos lang. Pero, it's also worth the try. Let's proceed with my top 5 favorite foundation. So, that would be this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation. Isa to sa mga pinakaunang liquid foundation na nagamit ko and sobrang nagustuhan ko din to kasi maganda yung finish niya, light lang. Although yung coverage niya, it's just light to medium coverage pero okay din siya especially sa mga beginners and for everyday na foundation. So I will just flash on the screen kung magkano siya ngayon. What I like with this is it's for normal to oily skin, which is kung ano nga yung skin type ko. Hindi naman siya super long lasting kasi nahuhulas naman siya, pero okay siya kapag nagbe-bake ka. I have one in the shade 125. This is nude beige. Pero medyo dark pa to sa akin. So, dapat mas light pa kung gusto ko talaga na yung perfect na shade. Kasi talaga to sa mga Holy Grail products ko before. If you want to try this, you can also get this. Okay siya for everyday use. Yan. For my top 4 naman is isa sa mga pinakabagong na try kong products. This is the Blair Cosmetics All-in-One Invisible Cover Foundation. Nagustuhan ko with this Blair Cosmetics is that it doesn't matter kung ano yung skin tone mo kasi okay siya sa lahat ng skin tone. Okay din siya kasi very lightweight lang siya sa face. Although yung coverage niya is light to medium lang siya, pero it's perfect for everyday. Siguro yung reason na kung bakit nasa top 4 siya is hindi siya super long lasting based on my experience. So yun lang yung dahilan kasi syempre gusto ko na medyo mas pang matagalan siya. We'll just flash it on the screen kung magkano yung price nito. Pero okay to. Okay tong Blair Cosmetics na foundation na to. My top 3 naman, ayan. For my top 3 foundation is this Mary Kay Time Wise Foundation. Ayan, so this is their matte wear liquid foundation kasi they have 2 different types of foundation. Meron sila for oily skin, meron din naman for dry skin. So, since I have combination skin, ito yung ginagamit ko. Nung nabili ko siya, ito na yung ginagamit ko for my everyday use kasi sobrang perfect yung shade niya for me. I am in the shade Ivory, so this is the lightest, I think, na shade. So, bagay na bagay siya sa akin at saka hindi siya nag-oxidize sa akin, which is what I like kasi sobrang acidic ako. So, yun lagi yung nangyayari sa mga foundation na ginagamit ko. But with this one, hindi. Okay din siya kasi it's oil-free. So, it's really perfect for those who have oily skin kasi oil-free siya and it's non-comedogenic. When we say non-comedogenic, it's perfect for those who have sensitive skin. Yung mga ingredients na to, hindi siya super harsh sa skin mo. So, okay siya for me. Yung isa sa mga con niya, although hindi naman super con for me, is yung price. Kasi it's around 700 pesos. So, medyo pricey siya compared sa ibang mga local or drugstore na brands. Pero, worth it din naman yung price niya. Pero, for everyday kasi, medyo nakakapanghinayang na gumamit ng ganun kamahal na foundation. So, yun lang naman. Pero, yung quality nitong Mary Kay Time Wise foundation, sobrang okay siya for me. So, let's proceed naman with the second or my top 2 favorite foundation. So, ito, isa din to sa mga pinakabago na ginawan ko ng review. Isa din to sa mga pinakabago na na-try kong foundation. And this is the Ever Bilena All Day Liquid Foundation. Yes, I know, baka magtaka kayo kung bakit ko siya nagustuhan. grabe, ako din, nagulat din ako na ganito kaganda tong foundation na to. I'm not saying naman na it's like the perfect foundation. It has its flaws. Grabe yung coverage nito. Unlike yung mga naunang pinakita ko sa inyo, ito talaga, if you need full coverage, kaya niyang ibigay sa inyo. Okay din naman yung color niya. Sobrang mura niya. This is only 195 pesos. So, it's perfect for everyday. Kahit na laklakin mo siya kasi sobrang mura lang niya. For the longevity, so lang. I mean, it gives you a decent amount of time to hold the oils of your face. Pero, ayun nga, hindi naman siya super long lasting. So, kailangan mo pa rin mag-bake. Yan, isa yan sa mga ginagawa ko to really work on this product. Kailangan mo siyang i-bake and kailangan mo, syempre, mag-blot kapag nag-oil up na siya. Pero for the price kasi, sobrang sulit na siya for me. It's only 195 pesos and it's already 35 grams. Sobrang dami na niyang laman. Isa din sa mga napansin ko is nag-oxidize siya. Ito, yung shade na to, it's just the perfect shade for me. Shade Porcelain. Ito yung pinaka-light na shade nila. So, perfect siya for me kasi kapag nag-oxidize na siya, nagmamatch na siya sa skin tone ko. And for my top 1 favorite foundation, siguro alam nyo na kung ano yun kasi a lot of YouTubers or vloggers naman have been swearing by this product na sobrang ganda talaga. So, ako din, based on my experience, sobrang gusto ko din to. This is the Super Stay Foundation from Maybelline. Ayan. So, I got one in the shade 120 Classic Ivory. Pero guys, medyo dark pa siya sa akin. Nag-oxidize kasi siya sa akin. So, dapat pala yung mas light pa yung nakuha ko. Pero, okay na okay siya kasi for the coverage, okay siya. Yung longevity niya, so far, sa lahat ng mga na-mention kong products, ito talaga yung pinaka-long lasting for me. Kahit na hindi ko siya i-bake. Ayan. So, I have tried this a lot of times na and ito talaga yung pinaka-nagtatagal na foundation sa akin. Especially pag binibake ko siya. Okay din yung finish niya kasi matte na matte siya. Madali din siyang i-blend. And for its price na 499 pesos and it has 30 ml of the product. Sulit na siya for me. Kapag ito yung ginagamit ko, hindi ako nag-worry na mahuhulas agad yung foundation ko kasi nagtatagal talaga siya sa akin. So, ayun guys, I'm done with my top 5 foundation. So, I hope marami kayong nakuha na insights or ideas when it comes to liquid foundation na nag-work sa akin. So, sana din mag-work siya sa inyo. You can try them out. Yung iba mga products dito, nagawan ko na din ng review so you can check it out. So, ayun lang. If you have other recommendation when it comes to liquid foundation na na-try nyo at maganda sa inyo, please comment down below so that I can try them as well. I hope na you find this video helpful and I hope you like this. If you do, just give me a thumbs up. And if you're not yet subscribed, please do subscribe on my YouTube channel and I will see you on my next video. Bye!